Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, pretty good scattering of showers and storms across the area today, and get used to it. It's going to stay with us through tomorrow into the weekend and much of next week as well. Just typical late summer, early fall weather, but around here it means temperatures topping out near 90 and a good chance of thunderstorms, especially during the afternoon hours. So that's how it fleshed out today. We do have the remnants of Gordon way up here in Arkansas, but what it's been doing has been drawing this tropical moisture northward toward that center of circulation, and that's why we've been seeing that deeper tropical moisture moving into Louisiana this afternoon. 12 hours of Doppler radar here, and you can see it started out quiet with the storms along the coast. Then they gradually built inland, and then as they get under the influence of some of that Gordon circulation, you can see some of the storms late in the afternoon after building north are actually dropping to the south, and that's where we're seeing our best convergence or our strongest thunderstorms across portions of Beauregard Parish into Allen Parish, in around between Kinder and the Basile, Oberlin area rather, than over toward Reeves, and then some very intense cells north of DeQuincy, south of Maryville, across a very rural part of Beauregard Parish as well. I do expect these storms to gradually weaken as we lose that daytime heating closer into Acadiana. Not a whole lot going on. We do see some rain shower activity, mostly gentle rains across Abbeville and over toward the Kaplan area, and then spanning into Acadia Parish with a nice little cell showing up right here around the Iota area as well. Into Lafayette Parish, relatively quiet late this afternoon, and not much going on as we get into Iberia and then also into St. Mary Parish. Some sprinkles right along the coastal marsh, but that's about it. So here's the bigger picture as we look at that enhanced tropical satellite imagery. Those areas of red where the thunderstorms are kicking up late this afternoon. You can see that activity in western Louisiana. Elsewhere across the Gulf and the Caribbean, relatively quiet. We do have a little bit of an upper level low that's over here by the Bahamas, but this is probably going to drift not much farther west than here and then probably drift to the north. So we don't think that's going to add to our rain chances for right now, but we have pretty good rain chances going at this point. A couple of tropical systems that we're watching, one about to come off the African coast, another one west of the Cabo Verde Islands, and then we also have Hurricane Florence out here in the Atlantic. Now, both systems coming off the African coastline look like they're going to develop. 80% chance of development with the wave on the African coast, and another 90% chance of development over the next 5 days with this system right here. So it looks like we'll be working our way into the letters of the alphabet beyond G down the road, but right now we're just dealing with Hurricane Florence, and the center of circulation with Florence is right here. So notice all the convection off to the north and east because of this upper level winds out of the southwest allowing for shear. So Florence at this time yesterday was a Category 4. Now it's down to Category 1, and it may go to a tropical storm briefly this evening into tomorrow morning, but then back up to a hurricane and perhaps a major hurricane again as we go into early next week. Now, the National Hurricane Center puts out a forecast track no more than 5 days. Why? Well, look at the models beyond that 5-day period, spanning anywhere from the Canadian Maritimes to the Bahamas. So right now we think this system could threaten the east coast of the U.S. down the line, but that's very uncertain. We'll take a little bit closer look at that coming up tonight on the 10 o'clock weathercast. Near term, those showers diminish tonight. It will be partly cloudy overnight. Then tomorrow things begin to spark up once again around lunchtime, coastal parishes with activity moving inland during the course of the afternoon, and then things beginning to quiet down, but still some storms at this time tomorrow evening. But beyond that, things will be quiet, and we'll do it all over again with showers and storms kicking up beginning early Saturday afternoon and then moving northward into the afternoon and evening hours. So showers ending early this evening, fair skies later on tonight, warm and humid, rain chances diminishing down to 30% or less, back up to 60% tomorrow, partly sunny skies. We'll get up to 89 for a high. Today we got up to about 91, so we think we'll stay 90 or below, but that's typical for this time of year. Look at those rain chances, 50, 60% just about each and every day through the next week. before we see rain chances going down, and this is why I was gone for 3 months.
Yeah.
Daytime showers
this.
and thunderstorms, but yeah, the tropics will keep us busy, and we'll be talking about several systems down the road as we go into next week and the week after. And then maybe the tropics shut down before the end of the month.
That'd be nice.
We'll see.
All
we'll
right.
see.
Sounds good. Thanks, Rob. Still